The young student and the master. Once upon a time, there was a young student named Kunal, who lived in a small town. Kunal was very eager to learn, and dreamt of becoming the most knowledgeable person in the world. He wanted to gain wisdom quickly. So he decided to seek out a famous master, known for his deep knowledge. After traveling for many days, Kunal finally reached the master's home. He greeted the master with great respect and said, "Master, I want to learn everything you know. Teach me, and I will do anything you ask of me." The master looked at Kunal and smiled. "Very well, but you must first understand the value of patience. Learning does not happen overnight," the master replied. The master handed Kunal a large jug filled with water, and a small, empty jug. He said, "Your task is to fill the small jug with water from the large jug. But there is a catch. You cannot spill a single drop." At first, Kunal was confused, but he accepted the challenge. He tried to fill the small jug quickly, but water spilled everywhere. After many attempts, he grew frustrated and asked, "Master, this is impossible. I can't do it." The master nodded and said, "You are right. You cannot complete the task if you rush. But there is something important to learn from this experience. Patience is not about doing something quickly, but about doing it with care and focus." The master continued, "Take your time. Think about every action carefully. Slowly, you will be successful." Kunal listened carefully, and with time and patience, he was able to fill the small jug without spilling a drop. He looked up at the master, understanding now what the lesson was. Patience and focus are key to success.